Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on and off color correction in a oppo phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here there was many different app icons shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here. Firstly, you have to move up and see there was many different app icons shown in your mobile phone. So you have to click on the firstly setting icon. So click on the setting icon. Then you have to see here many more options. You have to see. So firstly you have to click on the additional settings option. So click on the additional setting. Then you have to see here many more options. After that you have to see here many more options in the additional settings. So click on the accessibility option. So click on the accessibility. Now you have to see here many more options. You have to scroll down and click on the color correction option. So click on that. So if you want to on color correction in your mobile phone, so you have to on color correction and see here in this way color correction is on in your mobile phone. If you want to off color correction, then you have to click on the setting icon. Then you have to move up and click on the additional setting. You have see many options. Click on the accessibility, click on the color correction which is already on. So you have to off this. You have to see here in this way color correction is off in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.